Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon sushi rolls. First, let's get our sushi rice ready. You'll want to rinse 2 cups of short grain rice until the water runs clear, then cook it according to package directions. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning made from 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it cool completely before moving on to the next step. Next, we'll prepare our star ingredient, the salmon. Make sure you're using high-quality, sushi-grade salmon, about 8 ounces, sliced into strips roughly 1/4 inch thick. For extra flavor and texture, prepare your favorite fillings. Thinly slice 1/2 of a cucumber, 1 ripe avocado, and perhaps some cream cheese into similar strips. Having everything prepped makes the rolling process much smoother. Now for the fun part. Assembling your roll. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Dip your fingers in water to prevent sticking, then spread about 3/4 of a cup of sushi rice evenly over 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Carefully arrange your salmon strips and other fillings in a neat line across the bottom third of the rice. Finally, let's roll and slice. Using the bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you and roll it tightly over the fillings, pressing gently. Continue rolling, applying even pressure, until you reach the unriced edge of the nori. Moisten that edge with a little water to seal the roll securely. With a very sharp, wet knife, slice the roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade salmon sushi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.